Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and trying on a really special item from the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami collection. Now this is the white shawl. Now, if you remember from our store tour, we actually saw a few of these scarves or silks in there, and I did try on the black shawl. Now, when I first saw the photos for this collection, I was genuinely so intrigued by the white shawl, and I kind of had my heart set on it. Seeing the black shawl in person, the material of it kind of deterred me because it was more of like a cotton than a silk. But looking back at it, I had a little bit of FOMO. So I'm really glad to try this out, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Did I make the right decision? Should we have gone for the black, etc., etc. Now you are seeing that we did get some pieces of the packaging. We got the ribbon and we got the onion head tag, which of course has the multicolor Louis Vuitton print on the back. So that's really nice that it feels like they are starting to send out some packaging. Now for the moment of truth, let's see if we have any of the tissue paper. Oh my goodness, we do. I genuinely haven't opened this yet. So wow, I'm really excited. I haven't seen any of this tissue paper before. I did have a feeling that we might get it with this piece, so that's really exciting. And then our prized possession, well, let's not go that far, but our moment, our possession of the hour. So, all right, this is the shawl. Now, on first impressions, I'm so intrigued, right? It feels like it's substantial. It feels kind of like blanket-like, and it feels like, it does feel cottony. It does not feel silky. It looks like it's going to be a little see-through, which I'm not sure what I think about because that wasn't how it looked on the model online. But in any case, let's go ahead and open it up. Oh my goodness. Let me know what color you see first because like my eye is drawn to the blues, right? I don't know if that's just where my eye goes, at least in real life, IRL. Okay, we've uncovered the tag, so let's go ahead and look. So we do have the stamp that says 20-year anniversary celebration, Louis Vuitton Murakami. So what I'm gonna do is actually take off this part. I am gonna leave this just for sentimental purposes, but if you didn't care about any of that, I would suggest actually taking it all off because it's just gonna show, and who needs that black stamp when you're trying to wear a white shawl? Alrighty, in the bottom corner, you do have Louis Vuitton and a magenta. Is that a magenta? A little bit different than magenta. Oh, I guess it is the magenta. In any case, you have that one. And then, all right, looking at the back side of this, it is only vibrant on one side. So on the back, it is a little bit more, I don't want to say dull, but it's not all the way through. So just something to keep in mind, all things to know. All right, it is huge. So I'm not gonna be able to show you all of this all at once, but let's go ahead and try to lay it out, how we would wear it. So that's how it's generally gonna look. And we're gonna go ahead and try this on and just show you the overall, way that you can style it. What I'm really excited to wear this as is a sarong. So over like a white bathing suit or even, I don't know, any solid color bathing suit that has any of these colors whatsoever. I think this could be a really nice, I don't know if signature piece, but a really nice piece to have probably for forever. Now, I do know that you can wear this in a few different ways so you don't see a lot of the border because the border does add a certain essence to it. But as you're seeing, you can either flip it over. You can't really take it away on the sides because it is, lines on all four corners. But that is the general essence. So let's go ahead and try this on.
So as I mentioned, there's a lot of different ways that you can wear this, especially because it is so large. So I'm about 5'4", and this is pretty much my whole height. So I do think it's like 5 feet by 5 feet. Now, of course, you can bundle it all up and wear it, just like as a chunky scarf itself. Or you can kind of open it up and show off that full pattern. Now, the full pattern is like the monogram, but then it does have the multicolor border. So whichever way you use this, I feel like it's going to look finished. So you could tuck under that multicolor when you are styling it, but I do like the border. I think it just gives you an overall finished look. Now, the LVs obviously go one way, so you can also play with the direction, and you can use it as a kind of like a front pointed scarf like you do see in the promo photos, or you can put that point in the back and use it more as like a shawl. So overall, I think this is a really versatile piece. As I mentioned with the other bandeau or the 90 that we unboxed, you can either make those points align or separate them at the bottom to just play with style and get to know what you personally like. Now, what I was really excited for is to use this as a beach cover up. So I do have my white and black on so we can see the full effect of how this would look. And, it does cover up everything. So it is a pretty, full coverage cover up sarong. You can use it as a dress, or you can double it over and use it as a skirt, like a shorter skirt, or you can even use it as a full skirt. So overall, I really love this piece. I think it is so perfect for, a signature piece that you do want to style. You want to wear it in a lot of different ways. My only concern, of course, is that it's white, but I guess we'll just have to be super careful with it. What I really like about these oversized scarves is that you can use them as a cape. No, that you can wear them as a scarf, a shawl, or, if you do get really cold, you always have a blanket with you. So that's what I love about them. Let me know what you love about them in the comments below. Do you like this piece? Do you love it? Do you hate it? What do you think of it? Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.